In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Zoho Books profile. Whether you're looking to brand your company's invoices, estimates, or any communication that goes out to clients, updating your organization's profile with a logo is a simple yet effective step in enhancing your brand identity. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Zoho Books and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your account, including your organization's profile. Once you've clicked the gear icon, a menu will appear. Look for the section labeled Organization, and within that, you'll see an option for Profile. Click on Profile to proceed. This takes you to the Organization Profile page, which is essentially your control panel for all things related to your company's identity on Zoho Books. Now that you're on the Organization Profile page, it's time to upload your logo. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Organization Logo. This is where you'll make your brand visually apparent in all your outgoing communications. Click the button that says Upload your organization logo. After clicking, a window will appear that allows you to browse your computer files. Locate the logo file you want to upload. Remember, your logo is a key visual representation of your brand, so ensure it's of good quality and in the correct file format, whether it's a .jpg, .png, or another accepted format. Once you've selected your logo, click Open or Save, depending on your system options, to confirm the upload. And just like that, your logo is now a part of your Zoho Books profile. This means that all your transactions, invoices, and even your email notifications will carry your logo, making your communications look polished and professional. This simple addition to your profile can make a significant difference in how your clients perceive your business, giving you a cohesive look across all your documentation. By ensuring that your branding is clearly presented on everything that goes out to your customers, you not only enhance recognition, but also convey professionalism and attention to detail. That's all it takes to add a logo to your Zoho Books profile. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy bookkeeping!